El Camino, utility starts with the rugged cargo box. Made of ribbed and embossed steel, it has enough room to carry a truck-sized load. El Camino can also handle the weight. It has a gross payload capacity of up to 1,250 pounds, including cargo, occupants, and equipment.
I wasn't stressed at all. I felt, like I said, I was in the pocket. I was good to go. There's two roads diverging in a wood, and I took them both. It was impossible to stop me. I was a force of nature.
I don't think Bobby ever gets any smarter. I just think he's sort of in this, he's in this gray zone. Sort of like he got to a certain age and his brain just stopped working or something.
I think the key star player out of our toolkit that we had, over the grinders, over the sanders, over the putty brushes, I think the best thing we had was a Yeti cooler filled with beer.
He's a recruiter. He said he'd give us beer. He gave us Keystone Light. Who the hell is drinking that?
I deem myself a little bit of a negotiator. No one was around to help me with the truck bed at first, so I just started going at it. And I mixed it thoroughly, as you do, and just followed the directions, which wasn't a big deal. I always do a professional job anyway, so I'm a freaking pro at everything I do. Boom. Look at that. Stellar. Immaculate. And this pick's not as good. There we go. Every time I go into a project, everyone I bring on is on the same page. We all knew what we had to do. Zero stress. I felt great. Felt great about the whole situation. I was out there grinding and sanding and painting.
Well, Bobby, he works hard. He really does. He just doesn't know what he's doing.
This panel, this is like my 5th round of Bondo. I mean, this thing was so scuffed. I filled in the hole that was right here. There was a complete hole here, and now it's completely flat. That last bit of Bondo should take care of it when I sand it. Just trying to get so it's good, and then I was sanding and I noticed, look at these bubbles. There's rust behind the paint, like everywhere. So I'm gonna have to sand all that down and Bondo it too. The 2 millionth round of Bondo. I mean, this whole panel is pretty much 90% Bondo at this point.
When we got it back, just looking at it, we knew we had our work cut out for us. And we knew, we just had to work hard. We got a lot of beer to fuel us, so we knew we could get something done with it, ain't that right?